D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. We are also now a full-service Traxxas exclusive dealer. Hey D&D Sports fans, welcome back to another episode of What's New in the RC Shop. And today's Monday. If you haven't seen it yet, not sure where you've been, but Traxxas announced a new product today. As soon as we get that in, we will do an unboxing video. We'll do a run video of that truck. Looks pretty cool. It's a 1/10 scale of an X-Max, so it should be pretty cool. But starting the week off, we have one box to come in. I already popped the tape. Haven't done anything more. Looks like there's a lot of packaging material. I see a 1/16 E Revo right off the top. Lots of packaging material. Looks like there's another truck, TRX4 something, and maybe a VR46 Rally is also in there. So let's pull it out and see what's in the box. Alright guys, not a whole lot in this box other than the TRX4. The Defender, that's silver. Got the four-wheel drive Rally V46, Valentino Rossi edition. We have the 1/16 E Revo, and just a few parts. The first one is, I got 3 of the replacement optional TRX4 Bronco spare tire. Got some sand rails. Got some replacement four-wheel drive Rustler tires. And just a couple more spare tire rack. And a couple of the 8255, which is the extended axles. I also have 2 more orders coming this week. One on Tuesday and possibly one on Thursday. So we will add those to this week's video and we'll release it on Friday. It's Tuesday, D&D Sports fans, and we got 2 boxes on the table. I was able to order my Max today, so it should be here on Friday. But then Traxxas also released the new sand color for the Sport. So I'm hoping to order that on Wednesday, which I won't have until next Monday. So it won't be an unboxing or anything like that because we've already seen the Sport. But we will get one into the store and have it here so we can check out the packaging. Not sure if they're going to redo it or not. So the big box here, it looks like we got 2 Sun Edition TRX Broncos. And it looks like there might be a bunch of parts in there. We'll go through that. And this other box here is not so much stuff I can sell in the store, but I do an RC car club at our middle school, and we're meeting on Thursday, so my Traxxas salesman hooked me up with all kind of goodies for the kids and another round of magazines. So that's what this stuff is going to go for the kids on Thursday. But let's pull all that stuff out of here and see what we got. Okay, so here's everything out of the box. We got the 2 Sun Broncos. Also got 8111. I thought I had those in stock, but I was mistaken. So I ordered the 8111, and then I also ordered the Eco cage and the rack for the 8111. We got the toolkit, so that's $34.15. That's the Traxxas toolkit. They also released individual tools here recently, but this is the complete kit. And we got the 8020s, 8013, 8818. These have been a pretty good seller. They're the exhaust pipes for under the Mercedes-Benz. Got some restock parts that we sold in the store over the weekend. Black Rustler wing. If you look at the size, that is a black 1/16 scale Revo wing. The 8215s, the body mounts, have been a very popular seller. Alright guys, so we will have one more order this week, and we'll get the video out for you on Friday. Alright, D&D Sports fans, so here we are, Thursday evening. We ended up getting 3 more boxes. This will be the last order for the week. I'm hoping that the new Traxxas Max is in one of these orders. Of course, we got tons of packaging peanuts. Let's see what we got in here. That one looks like a rustler, and maybe a rustler 4x4, so the Max is not in this box. I'm going to hope it's in here. So we got more peanuts, 3 TRX4s, 2 of which are sports. So unless it's in that little box, which I doubt, I do not think the Max is in today's order, unfortunately. So let me start pulling some of this stuff out, get it out on display, and then we'll look and see what's in that third box. Last box. Don't think it's going to be big enough for the Max, so I'm wondering if that's going to be on Monday's order. It appears that this whole box is parts and bodies. So we'll dump it all out and check it out. No Max, guys, I'm sorry. Well, here is everything. So let's start with the trucks. We got an orange Chevy Blazer. We got 2 of the sports, a red and a blue one. Got a Defender body up top there. Over here we have a sport body, and this is the one with the holes for the headlights. So the grill will mount right up to it. So that's the 8111R. The regular body is 8111. And then we just have a clear Stampede body. And all the other parts, you got a TRX4 rack without any of the accessories. So that is 8120. 8120X has all the additional accessories. We got a couple of Titan 12-turn motors. A couple TRX4 Bronco parts, including the front push bar. We got the rear tire. A lot of these parts, guys, you'll see we had a very good week in the store selling parts. So a lot of these are restocks. So we went through a couple of power cell batteries. I think one day in the store we ended up selling 3 trucks. So of course everybody's buying extra batteries, so we had a restock on some batteries. Lots of TRX4 stuff. We always have good luck with that. A lot of everything in this area right here is all restock of stuff that's sold in the store this week. Alright guys, so that is everything this week. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified anytime we release new videos, which is usually at least once a week on our What's New in the RC Shop. I'm hoping by Monday or Tuesday, guys, I'll have that new Traxxas Max, and we'll have an unboxing video, maybe a run video. I'm gonna have a couple different videos with that one. So thanks for watching.